Story: A day of the refrigerator repairman. In the morning, when the sun had not yet dried the dew-soaked roads, Min, a refrigerator repairer with more than 10 years of experience, had finished preparing the tools. In the familiar backpack, there were screwdrivers, pliers, electric meters, gas meters, and backup electric coils. For him, it's a little treasure that helps him solve so many customer problems. While drinking a cup of hot tea, the phone rang. "Dear, my fridge hasn't been cold these days. The food is starting to break down. Please come help me." He replied, "Yes, I'll be right there." When he arrived, he opened the door of the cabinet, and the smell of rancid food made the whole family uncomfortable. He patiently checked. The fan was weak, the ice was thick on the refrigerator. He unscrewed and explained to the guests. "The cabinet is clogged, at a broken fan, so there is no cold. Fortunately, early detection, repair is still running well." After only an hour, the cold came out again. The vegetable tray was as cool as new. The whole family was excited, chuckling thank you. Min smiled, wiped his sweat. "It's okay, my job." At noon, just as we were eating at the sidewalk bar, another call came in. "Dear, my store sells seafood. The freezer is broken. The item is starting to thaw. It's too dangerous." He rushed to the car again. At the store, the staff was anxiously sitting restless. He quickly checked. The compressor screeched. The pipe flared. He lay down on the cold brick floor. His hands were covered in grease. Every drop of sweat rolled. After sealing the gas, refilling the gas, the machine hummed again. The shopkeeper shook his hand tightly. "Without me, you would lose tens of millions." Late in the afternoon, the rain began to fall. He stopped at an old dormitory to repair an old refrigerator that was almost 20 years old. The old lady trembled and said, "This cabinet you used for a long time. It is expensive to break, but it is a pity to throw away." He carefully removed each part, cleaned the wires, replaced the new starter capacitor. When the cupboard fluttered slightly and the cold returned, the old woman was moved. "Fortunately, thank you very much." He just laughed softly. "That's my job." At night, the street lights up. Min sits on a motorbike, the heavy backpack behind him. Tired, but relieved in his heart. Because he understands, his work is greasy, sometimes dangerous because of electric shock or cold gas. But it brings very real joy. Keep the food fresh. For full family meals, for the restaurant shop, assured trade. Min proudly thought, "I not only fix a refrigerator, but also keep the rhythm of so many families, so many shops." And then, tomorrow, when the phone rang, he resumed his familiar journey, the journey of a refrigerator repairer. Silent, but meaningful.